Hi guys, my name is Isabel and today we're here at Worldwide RV. I'm going to be showing you guys around this Jayco Redhawk 24B. Now this unit can comfortably sleep up to 4 adults and 2 children in it. So this is going to be the perfect Class C motorhome for any family. Let me start on the exterior of this unit and then we'll make our way inside. So starting on the front, this unit is built on an E450 chassis. It does have a powerful 7.3 liter V8 engine. Now, Jayco has fixed its #1 issue with Class Cs, which is going to be leaks on this front cap. They overlap the front cap to prevent those leaks, and it's definitely enhancing the durability. This unit is also going to be super easy to set up with the hydraulic auto leveling jacks. Also have a J-ride suspension, keeping it nice and smooth going down those roads. Now this unit does have plenty of storage on the outside, but it also comes with an outside shower. Other brands can only tow up to 5,000 pounds when fully loaded, but this unit can tow up to 7,500 pounds. This hitch down here can also hold 750 pounds. Up here at the top, you'll see that it does have backup camera and side cameras. It is equipped with a 200-watt solar panel, and it does have a second battery, so that dry camping is not going to be a problem. So coming inside of this unit, you're going to see that this is a beautiful modern farmhouse style. This layout is perfect because with this slide-in, you can still access this bedroom and still access the bathroom as well. But let's talk about this front cap. So in this front cap, you are going to notice that these seats are swivel, adding additional seating in this unit as well, so you can watch your TV, which is going to be right across from you. Over here, they have a nice screen that does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you are able to connect your phone to that, and this will give you access to your side cameras and your backup camera. For this bunk can hold 750 pounds on it. You also get this window included on the bunk, so if you're camping somewhere with a beautiful view, you're going to be able to see right through that. Moving on to the dinette, this is a wraparound dinette that does, of course, convert into additional sleeping, so you are able to sleep some extra kiddos on here as well. This kitchen is beautiful. That's all I have to say about the design. They did an amazing job on this modern farmhouse style. Not only do you get a double sink, but you also have a pop-up power tower that does go up and down, giving you a little bit extra counter space. You have lots of storage, drawers underneath, above. This is going to be a high point microwave, and you also get a 3-burner stovetop. Now this fridge is going to be a 12-volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. Now with your solar and a second battery, when you're doing dry camping, you have nothing to worry about with this fridge here. Coming in to this bedroom area, you do get a curtain here for some extra privacy, and you have 2 areas where you can put your clothes in this unit. This is a perfect spot for some, and you also have a huge area right here to hang up all your clothes, and you also get some drawers right here. This bed is going to be a queen size bed, and if you look underneath this bed, you'll see that you are given some extra storage area underneath there for any sort of luggage or even some things that you can't fit outside in those outside storage areas. Okay, one thing about bathrooms that I absolutely love in the Jaycos is definitely going to be this window in here. I do have a bit of a smaller bathroom, I'm not going to lie to you, but I feel like there's plenty of room in here. And I feel like the reason why this bathroom is a little bit smaller is because this shower is huge. Like, you have plenty of room to move your arms around. There's not going to be any of that awkward bumping on the sidewalls when you're going to wash your hair or anything like that. You also do have a medicine cabinet in here. So you have plenty of storage for those toothbrushes, any extra hygiene products. You can store them in here as well as below in here or in these cabinets down here. All right, guys, that was a look at this 2024 Jayco Redhawk 24B. Now, this unit was going for $112,975, but it is currently on our website for $108,741. It is on sale. So go into our bio, check it out, or come visit us at 4660 East Main Street, right in between Higley and Greenfield. Hope to see you soon.